What will happen to your body if you eat avocado a day for a whole month? This superfruit has taken the nutrition world by storm, and for good reason. Numerous studies have showcased the amazing benefits of the smooth, creamy avocados on our health and appearance. But what would really happen to your body if you committed to eating one avocado daily for a whole month? How would your body respond? Would the result really be that amazing? We'll answer all those questions and more in this video. So buckle up and join us on this exciting adventure. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing health insights like this one. Number 7. Your risk of heart disease will reduce significantly. Avocados have been shown by multiple studies to have significant benefits on the cardiovascular system. These creamy fruits with a slightly nutty flavor are packed with nutrients that can significantly reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease, one of the leading causes of death worldwide. In one study that involved over 100,000 men and women, researchers found people with higher avocado intake had a 16% lower risk of cardiovascular disease and 21% lower risk of coronary heart disease. First off, avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These good fats help lower your levels of low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, which is the bad kind of cholesterol, while boosting your high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, the good kind. By doing this, avocados help to keep your arteries clear and your blood flowing smoothly, reducing your risk of heart attacks and strokes. Beyond cholesterol, avocados also lowered blood triglycerides by up over 20% in some cardiovascular studies. These triglycerides, when high, are another predictor of heart attack and stroke. But that's not all. Avocados are also an excellent source of a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels: potassium. In fact, a single avocado contains more potassium than a banana. Unfortunately, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services considers potassium a nutrient of public health concern because it's a mineral that most Americans do not consume enough of. This important mineral, which is deficient in most diets, is found in abundance in avocados. So remember potassium, as we will be talking about it later in the video. By helping your body regulate fluid balance and reduce sodium retention, potassium can help lower your blood pressure and reduce your risk of hypertension. In fact, one study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that eating one avocado per day as part of a heart-healthy diet can help lower LDL cholesterol levels and improve overall cardiovascular health. So if you want to give your heart the protection it needs, start incorporating avocados into your daily diet. However, there's an exception. If you have hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by high levels of potassium in the blood, you should be cautious about consuming avocados. In this case, it's best to consult with your doctor to determine if avocados are safe for you to include in your diet. Number 6. You will get a beautiful skin glow. Avocados are a true superfood when it comes to promoting healthy, glowing skin. These creamy fruits are packed with nutrients that can nourish your skin from the inside out, leaving you with a complexion that's sure to turn heads. Firstly, avocados are an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of collagen, a protein that keeps your skin firm, elastic, and youthful looking. By getting enough vitamin C from avocados, you're helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, while also promoting a more even skin tone. Avocados are also rich in vitamin E, another potent antioxidant that can work wonders for your skin. Vitamin E helps protect your skin from damaging free radicals, which can cause premature aging and other skin problems. By getting enough vitamin E from avocados, you're helping to keep your skin looking smooth, supple, and radiant. But that's not all. In addition to these crucial vitamins, avocados are also an excellent source of healthy fats. These monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats help keep your skin moisturized and plump, reducing the appearance of dryness and flakiness. In a study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology, the researchers found that people who consumed a diet rich in healthy fats, like those found in avocados, had significantly more hydrated and supple skin with reduced wrinkles compared to those who consumed a low-fat diet. Number 5. You'll lose weight more easily. Now, you may be wondering, shouldn't consumption of avocados lead to weight gain since they contain high amounts of fat? While it may seem counterintuitive to eat a high-fat food like avocados when trying to lose weight, these creamy fruits are packed with nutrients that can actually help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight. One of the key reasons avocados help in weight loss is their high fiber content. Fiber is an essential nutrient that helps keep you feeling full and satisfied after meals, reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods. In one study that included 345 people, it was found that high fiber intake was the most influential predictor of body weight, independent of calorie and macronutrient intake. In addition, the fats present in avocado are healthy monounsaturated fats that actually reduce inflammation in the body while also keeping you feeling satisfied. In addition to keeping you feeling full, the fiber in avocados can also help regulate blood sugar levels. This is important because stable blood sugar can help prevent cravings and reduce the likelihood of making unhealthy food choices. In fact, multiple studies have directly associated avocado intake with weight loss, decreased abdominal fat, and increased satiety. Number 4. Your brain will function better. Avocados are a true powerhouse when it comes to supporting brain health. They contain a winning combination of nutrients that work together to keep your mind sharp and functioning at its best. First, avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which play a crucial role in maintaining proper blood flow to the brain. When your brain receives an adequate supply of blood, it gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to perform at its peak. This can lead to improved cognitive function, better memory, and enhanced concentration. In fact, a study in the Nutrients Journal found that people who ate avocado daily saw a significant boost in working memory and problem-solving efficiency. In addition to healthy fats, avocados are also packed with vitamin K and vitamin B9, also known as folate. Folate helps reduce levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that can impair brain function when present in high amounts. By keeping homocysteine levels in check, folate promotes better cognitive performance and also helps prevent age-related mental decline. Meanwhile, vitamin K is essential for the formation of sphingolipids, a type of fat that's abundant in brain cells that are crucial for maintaining the structure and function of brain cells. And that's not even all. Avocados are also an excellent source of lutein, a carotenoid that's been shown to enhance brain function. Multiple researches have shown that people of all ages with higher levels of lutein in their diets perform better on tests of memory and processing speed compared to those with lower lutein intake. This has been suggested to be due to its role as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Another study in 2021 also found that older individuals who eat avocado had significantly greater cognitive scores across all cognitive tests, and avocado was found to significantly improve memory performance. Number 3. Your eyes will be sharper. You see, when it comes to maintaining healthy vision, avocados are a true gem. Avocados are an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that are essential for eye health. By getting enough lutein and zeaxanthin from avocados, you're helping to protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reducing the risk of age-related vision problems. But the visual benefits of avocados don't stop there. These fruits are also rich in vitamin E, another potent antioxidant that helps shield your eyes from damaging free radicals. These free radicals can cause oxidative stress in the eyes, leading to vision impairment and even blindness in severe cases. A study found that people who consumed higher amounts of lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin E had a significantly lower risk of developing age-related eye degeneration compared to those with lower intakes. This highlights the importance of getting these crucial nutrients, and avocados are a delicious way to do just that. Number 2, your kidneys will function better. Maintaining healthy kidney function is crucial for overall health and well-being, especially as we age. Avocados are a delicious and nutritious way to support your kidneys and keep them working efficiently. Remember potassium. Yes, the essential nutrient abundant in avocados. As said earlier, potassium is essential for regulating fluid balance in the body, which is crucial for proper kidney function. When your potassium levels are balanced, your kidneys are better able to filter waste and excess fluids from your blood, keeping your body healthy and free from toxins. In addition to potassium, avocados are also low in sodium. This is important because high sodium intake can put additional strain on your kidneys, causing them to work harder to remove excess salt from your body. Over time, this extra work can lead to kidney damage and decreased function. By choosing low-sodium foods like avocados, you're helping to reduce the workload on your kidneys and keep them functioning at their best. So, if you want to give your kidneys the support they need to function at their best, make sure to add avocados to your daily diet. Number 1, your immune system will be boosted. Consuming avocados helps to boost the immune system significantly due to its content of various antioxidants. Avocados are an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in maintaining a strong immune system. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are the body's first line of defense against harmful bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Avocados are also rich in vitamin E, another potent antioxidant that can help bolster your immune system. Vitamin E works by protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can weaken your immune system and make you more susceptible to illness. By getting enough vitamin E from avocados, you're helping to keep your cells healthy and your immune system functioning at its best. In addition to these crucial vitamins, avocados are also a great source of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage and supports immune function. Glutathione works by neutralizing harmful toxins and free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation that can weaken your immune system over time. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that people who consumed a diet rich in glutathione had significantly higher levels of natural killer cells, a type of white blood cell that plays a key role in fighting off infections and cancer cells. So what about you? Do you like avocados? How often do you eat them? What benefits have you noticed from consuming avocados? Share with us in the comment section below. And if you've not been taking them, what are you waiting for? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on the next video. What other benefits have you noticed from consuming avocados?